to life.
A few years ago we completed kind of the backyard deck, patio, gardens, berms, that kind of thing. Now we're working at the front, and our focus is the front walkway and the front porch. So we're using the matching product to what we put in the patio for the infill on the front walkway, and then we're using a thinner stone to cover the existing concrete porch and to face it so that it all looks as like one piece, and then to border the flagstone that's in the walkway. We're going to be doing some garden adjustments and just making everything, just updating everything, giving it a new polished look.
Artistic landscaping will bring your beautiful dreams to life.